Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. So let me share with you my design team package from ASC Supplies for the month of April 2020. I want to show you, the reason I have not unwrapped this was because I want to show you how much care they take in their packaging. So, they put it in bubble wrap. They made sure that it wasn't going to leak all over the place, which is awesome, guys. These ladies are amazing. Crystal, the owner, she's an amazing lady. Her assistant, Cherie, is just as amazing as she is. Cherie is so cool. So anyway, let me open this up. I did order the art glitter glue because I am a little low, but I wanted you to see, guys, that you can order it from them. I normally get mine from Amazon, but since they have it on their site, I said, well, let me go ahead and get it. I get it a lot quicker. And I don't ever remember getting the one from Amazon in bubble wrap. But anyway, they have the art glitter glue, guys. This will last such a long time. This is just about the only glue that I use. I'll use like fabric tack or one of the other adhesives, but as far as wet glue, this is about the only one that I use. So anyway, guys, I highly recommend this. So the first thing was my art glitter glue. And then another thing that I got, I have a lot of flowers, but I don't have this color. And I don't want to take it out of the packaging. But look how beautiful that is. And that just goes with one of the paper collections that I have received. So there's the item number for that one. These little flowers, guys, are so awesome. Fillers, smaller projects. Oh my gosh, these flowers are just so amazing. There's the small ones. And I also received a chipboard. I don't know if this is veneer. It might be veneer. I don't remember what I read on there, but this is one of the laser cut. It looks like chipboard. Anyway, they have a lot of these chipboard pieces that are, frames, and I have something in mind for this one. So hopefully I'll have time to do that here pretty soon. But this is another item that I got, and I also received an embossing folder. Isn't this one pretty? This is a Doris embossing folder, and that is so pretty. So I don't have this one, so I thought, well, let me get it because I do plan on making a card. So yeah, you'll have to stay tuned for that one. And then I got, guys, you know what, guys, I always get a pen. I think that you guys get a pen as well. Don't quote me on that, but I think I saw someone else's haul and they had a pen. That's the only reason I'm showing it. I have gotten a pen every single time, and these are good pens. They have the, the rubber stylus at the end, and yeah, I like their pens. And then I also got this 3D Floral Basics shaping mold. Oh my gosh, guys. So you can actually shape any mold. Any die cut with this mold. I'm thinking, let me pull it out for you guys. This will make your 3D flowers, and they look amazing with these molds. I'm gonna have to do a video with you guys. Yeah, see? So they're round to where you can put any shape flower in there, just about any size too. Look at that. Oh, can't wait to play with this and show you how it works. I love this mold. Okay, guys, so that is the Heartfelt Creations basic flower mold. And if you don't own any, this one is a really good one to own, just because you can use it for any of your die cuts. And there is the item number for that one. And 3D Floral Basics shaping mold. Love it. I can't wait to play with that. Okay, and then I got, let me take it out of the packaging. I got this eclectic charm by Blue Fern Studios, and these colors are real rich, and you guys know that I normally don't work with these colors, but I thought these were so pretty, so I went ahead and got this one. And there is the order number for that one, the item number. I keep saying order number. And isn't this pretty? Look at that. Oh my gosh, all these are cut aparts. They are pretty. And there's the back of that one. Beautiful, beautiful. And then, oh, look at this one. Oh my good. You know, putting this in front of a, let's say a folio or something. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. And there is the back of that one. The little bird cage is so pretty. The butterflies. Love that. And then this is the next page. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. They're kind of vintagey, isn't it? Here's the back side to that one. And look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. Love the clocks. That is beautiful. I don't do a lot of browns, but this is so pretty. Oh, look at this side. Oh, that's gorgeous. How do you choose a side, right? And then this one, what is that? Is that money? Oh, it's a stamp. So pretty. Here's another one up here. Oh, that looks like you know, vintage wallpaper. Oh, look at that. Definitely looks like vintage wallpaper. And then here's this one. This one has ripped paper on it. Beautiful cluster of flowers. And it looked like some kind of ticket and a stamp and some labels. Very pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this one. Oh, this one's so pretty. Wow, love that one. And then the back, purple, eggplant color, almost the color of my car. And look at that, that is so pretty. Oh, definitely the color of my car. My goodness, these are beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the back of this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, hopefully I'll be able to use both sides on you know, on something. Look at that. That's a necklace. How pretty. Do you guys see that? Oh, that's so pretty. Man. Oh, guys, this one's gonna be a tough one because I want to use all the sides. But anyway, there's that one. And then I did also get from this paper collection, I did get the ephemera pack, Eclectic Charm, and it's got all of those, oops, cut aparts. A vision malfunction here. My glasses fell off my face because I bumped my face. Look at that. Oh man, those are pretty. Oh. Okay, and then the last item I did get, let me take it out of the packaging just because, guys, if you, okay, so I don't know if it's Stamperia or Stamperia. I think it is a preference of pronunciation. So this one is from Stamperia, and here is the item number for that one. Guys, this is a lot prettier than I thought it was going to be. From what I saw, here we go, there it is. This is Stamperia Garden. Oh my gosh, look at all those beautiful colors. Oh, okay, so let's do a flip through real quick. This is the back of the front page, which we can also use. I just love that about Stamperia, that, you know, nothing goes to waste. Oh, those are so, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And the back of that one. And look at these cut parts. Oh my gosh, those are pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, and they're double-sided, so here are the ones on the back. Wow, that is cool. And then here, oh, a birdhouse, guys. You know how I just finished my birdhouse? Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at this. That is beautiful. I love that page. And then this one as well. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this one, but I know it's, oh, that's so pretty. And look at these, those are so cool. All the little, you know, the little, I don't know what you call them, the little markers. Those are so pretty. Oh, I love this. Look at that, guys. It takes a long time to grow an old friend. And is that not the truth? Oh, that's beautiful. And it's, the background is ruled paper. And then here it is again in pink without the images. That's beautiful. I used it on this one. Birds, flowers, another birdhouse. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at the back of that one. Isn't that pretty? Look at this one. Wow, I could stare at that for a while. Look at this wood grain one, or wood planked wood. That is pretty. You know, quite some time ago, I would get them in my paper packs, and I thought I would think that they were ugly. But you know, they're pretty. Anyway, beautiful music sheet with images on it. And then the back of that, oh, I like this, the way that looks right there. Look at this bicycle. Oh, this is the reason that I got this paper pad, because I loved that bike. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but oh, that looks so pretty. And look at this, guys. It's got a calendar on there. Of course, it's not an accurate one because they all start, the one starts on a Sunday, but that is so cool. And then here we go. This is the back side, and this is the back page, and it's also got an image on there, or it's also printed. I was thinking it was printed like the front, but it's not. Oh my gosh, guys, I am going to leave the link for all this stuff in my description, in the description box. Hopefully you can go out there and check out the site. They are having a mixed media sale in April. So you can just go and check out their mixed media and see what you need and get it at a sale price. I am going to go ahead and put my discount code in the description box as well, so you can use it on things that are not on sale. So let me tell you a little bit about that. So if you're going to place an order and you're going to use my code, it has to be on things that are not on sale. So if you're going to, let's say you're going to put an order in for paper, use my code for the paper, and then the mixed media, make a separate order for the mixed media, because that one is on sale this month already. And then once you place both orders, leave them a note in the note to seller, and let them know that you have two orders. They will combine the two orders, and if they reach $75, you get free shipping, and they will refund you whatever shipping was charged to you. Now they'll combine if they combine the orders and it doesn't reach $75, they will only charge you one shipping fee for one box, because they combine the order. And if there is anything due back to you, they will refund that as well. So guys, just letting you know that if you need to place both orders, you're not going to pay double shipping. They will take care of you, because these ladies are amazing. All right, guys, I will talk to you later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching. Love you all.